I open buy because the parabolic SAR indicator is lined up below and upwards, then one red candle is formed as an upward correction, then the Bollinger Bands have formed a perfect angle. So I'm sure the market will go up. I use 2 minutes and open $65. We'll wait for the time to run out. Will I make a profit? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell guys, so you don't miss it when I upload my latest video. Profit guys. Okay, I will increase the open position to $700. I still use 2 minutes of time. I open buy again because the market is going up strong. I believe the market will go up very strongly because 2 candles of correction have appeared there. Then Bollinger Bands and parabolic SAR are also very supportive for open buy. Profit guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.